Hello and welcome to my channel. So today I will make reaction to new song by XG and is Rock the Boat. We have got official music video, so that is perfect. It looks that is also with English subtitles or like with the lyrics, so that is even better. I will see during the music video. The most important thing, please visit XG official channel and subscribe them, and big thanks that you found my channel. Of course, if you have got some favorite song by XG, I will be happy for the recommendations. I have got a plan to continue with the document about XG. So yeah, I'm thinking about this. Yeah, but I started to watch one interesting Korean TV show and some another anime. So now I don't have a time. Yeah, but it's a plan to watch this. So if you like some performance video or music video or live version video from XG official channel, and you can find the reaction for that, you can write me that to the comments, the recommendation. And yeah, let's go with Rock the Boat and we will see. So let's prepare. Let's prepare. I'm recording. Oh, I'm recording. I'm recording. Go.
Hey boy, I like the way you talk. I like the way you speed dial me on that phone. I like that XG when I hear that ringtone. I'm liking everything, but it's not enough. Say boy, what if I wanna ride? What if I'm in the mood and I need you right now? What if you with your crew and I needed you to bounce? Feel like you should kick it on another night. I get. Normally I never get this crazy. My reality is all you lately. All I'm really trying to say right now is, boy, you came and rock the boat, caught me off the beat like shaking up the streamline. Rock the boat, knocked me off that way. Boy, you came and rock the boat, swimming in the deep, wide open in the sea. I'm off the boat, knocked me off that way. Boy, you came in hot, the way you got me hot. You turn it up a notch, spit up a couple knots, and I felt the drop. My heart would've stopped. You got me sweating every minute in the summertime. Who would've thought? Okay, we could take it two ways. Leo worked the middle while singing on top of blue waves. I had to look away, but it was too late. I drank the Kool-Aid. I really thought that it was Gucci, maybe it was Kool-Aid. No, my mama would've never let me. Hypothetically, you're mine already. All I'm really trying to say right now is, boy, you came and rocked the boat, caught me off the beat like shaking up the stream like rock the boat, knocked me off that wave. Boy, you came and rocked the boat, swimming in the deep, wide open in the sea. I'm off the boat, knocked me off that wave. Boy, you came and XO, you playing that game. Back to back, you been calling all day. Back and forth, calling even my friends. Even on text, leaving nonsense. Don't trip, boy, give me my space. Obsession was never my thing. Take your time, you should steady your pace. What am I saying? Boy, you came and rocked the boat, caught me off the beat like shaking up the stream line. Rock the boat, knocked me off that wave. Boy, you came and rocked the boat, swimming in the deep, wide open in the sea. I'm off the boat, knocked me off that wave. Boy, you came in.
Okay, another awesome song. So what to do? Totally putting this to the favorites. Ping, 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 and save. And yeah, let's go one more time. A really catchy, awesome choreography, also great work with the camera. Uh, that we are still continuing the story under the water, or the theme with the water, with the sea.
Hey boy, I like the way you talk. I like the way you speed dial me on that phone. I like that XG when I hear that ringtone. I'm looking everything, but it's not enough. Say boy, what if I wanna ride? What if I'm in the mood and I need you right now? What if you with your crew and I needed you to bounce? Feel like you should kick it on another night.
Yeah, I really like here the work with the camera, how they are kicking and going down. It's also the same like with
Normally I never get this crazy. My reality is all you lately. All I'm really trying to say right now is, boy, you came and rocked the boat, rocked the boat. Caught me off the beat like shaking up the streamline. Rocked the boat, knocked me off that way. Boy, you came and rocked the boat, swimming in the deep, wide open in the sea. I'm off the boat, knocked me off that way. Boy, you came in hot, the way you got me hot. You turn it up a notch, spit up a couple nuts, and I felt the drop. My heart wouldn't stop. You got me sweating every minute in the summertime. Who would've thought? Okay, we could take it two ways. Leo worked the middle while singing on top of blue waves. I had to look away, but it was too late. I drank the Kool-Aid. I really thought that it was Gucci.
yeah, when I saw the Kool-Aid, uh, yeah, good. Also, I really like their I hope that I've said correctly, the rap during the song, and the Kool-Aid. I remember. I don't know if you or before that I saw that TV show or the cartoon. I didn't know what is Kool-Aid. Yeah, we don't have this. We have got like different brand in Czech Republic, but not Kool-Aid. So I found Kool-Aid thanks to Family Guy. Yeah, because uh, when in some scene when they are saying, oh no," he walked through the wall and say, "Oh yeah," and I think that is Kool-Aid. Yeah. So thanks to the Family Guy, I know about Kool-Aid. So that is also like a small thing when I saw this. And yeah, they are changing a lot of locations. Like the aquarium also is probably here with the stairs. Uh, this is almost look like some studio, but it's probably also maybe the part of that aquarium. Uh, the botanic garden here, or it looks for me like the botanic garden. The bridge, the beach. Yes, it's a lot of so, but it's totally some bigger city. Also great clothes. They are changing. And yeah, when I heard how she's singing XO, I remember the song "Something Ain't Right" because they are also singing there. If my memory is good, also with the XO, something. really like the work with the camera and how they
Shaking
are
off the sheets
making
like
the
you rock
cuts
the boat.
side
Knock me
side.
off that wave. Boy, you came and rocked the boat, rocked the boat. Swimming in the deep, wide open in the sea. I'm off the boat. Knock me off that wave. Boy, you came in.
Rock the boat. Okay, okay. So I'm happy that I have got opportunity to listen to new song by XG. And yeah, what to say? I know it's that I'm saying that again, but I really enjoyed the song. It was really great, beautiful music video, really talented. So it's always cool to have got opportunity to listen their songs. Um, if you have got some another favorite song, please write me that to the comments. Visit XG official channel, and I hope that we will see in the future. So see ya.